check out what we have for you today. 5 super easy salads that you can make with things you already have at home, and that will make your summer much easier and more enjoyable. All of them are fresh, all of them are delicious, all of them are amazing. Let me know in the comments which one you liked the most. Let's start with a tomato salad, the easiest and freshest one. Most fresh tomato at the bottom. There we have it. We'll add onion. I like it sliced like this. There it is. Let's add it. Super flavor with cheese. You can use semi-cured or fresh cheese. No problem. We add canned tuna in oil, a great source of protein, and also a crunchy touch with green pepper. We're going to make a simple dressing. Just olive oil, a pinch of salt, and vinegar. In my case, apple cider vinegar, which I love. Give it a good shake, stir it, and it's ready. Secondly, a simple pasta salad. It's amazing. We start with well-cooked pasta, in this case, spirals. Here, we're going to add grated carrot for a fresh touch, finely diced onion, also tomato, which will add juiciness, sliced cooked ham. That's the protein. Cubes of cooked ham, deli ham. It's a very Provençal, very Italian style dressing. A pinch of salt to give it a bit of punch, a touch of dried oregano, olive oil, and a splash of vinegar to finish. We mix everything well, really well. And your salad is ready. Look at all those colors. Third place, super filling rice salad. Lettuce at the bottom of a bowl. There it is. We add the well-cooked chilled rice. There you have it. Don't leave a single grain behind. We also add some cubes of cooked ham and canned pepper. Some chopped cooked surimi sticks. A crunchy touch with Italian green pepper. A salty touch with some olives stuffed with anchovy. Those two, don't leave any out. I've sliced them into little pieces. And we finish with a good spoonful of mayonnaise. A simple dressing everyone likes. Stir it. And your salad is ready. Look at that bunch of colors. Fourth potato salad. This one always works. Potatoes at the bottom. There you go. Well cooked. It's important that they're soft. We add canned tuna in olive oil. There it is. We've got it. We add some cubes, some cooked ham or canned turkey, some slices of Italian green pepper, and a little bit of canned pepper, finely chopped. We also add fresh tomato. Delicious. A pinch of salt. And now we move on to the dressing. Mayonnaise thinned with a good spoonful of plain unsweetened yogurt. Stir it and you'll get a super tasty light sauce. We add it. Always serve it cold. We give it a good stir, so all the ingredients mix well together. And you'll have your potato salad ready. Fifth place, my favorite apple one. Here we go. Lettuce at the bottom. I've used this one that comes with a bunch of mixed colored leaves. Inside, the peeled and chopped apple. A splash of lemon juice. On top, there it goes. Fresh lemon. A spoonful of plain unsweetened yogurt. We'll add a pinch of brown sugar. Amazing color and flavor. A pinch of salt. A heaping tablespoon of mustard. We finish with a tiny drizzle of olive oil. Some walnuts and a toss, and it's ready. Here, look. What a fresh summer salad. Super cool. You have to make it. Well, that's it for today's 5 salads. Which one did you like the most? Tell me in the comments and I'll make another similar one. I'm VT. This is La Cocina de la Abuela. Thanks for coming. See you in the next video.